Hello guys, I'm gonna open some packs. My first gold pack. I hope that I get someone good. Only shit. Just only shit. I just get shit. No, only just get shit. Gonna open another pack. Oh, just get shit again. My next pack. I'm gonna skip him. Chifu. That's gonna sell this. Hope that I get someone good. Now in this pack. I'm not gonna skip it. Ooh, Boateng. Nice. Nice, I get Boateng. That's not really bad. And oh, that's not really bad pack. Not really bad. Quick sell. Going to store. I hope that I get an inform. Messi. Not a really good. But I get coins and a gold pack. I get a free gold pack. Ooh, that's a good player. Store in my club. Claim free. Okay. Collect free coins. And I'm gonna store all in club this time. That was not a really bad pack, but not the goodest. Please give me an inform. Jesus Navas! Jesus Navas! Nice, Jesus Navas. That's a good player. Jesus Navas. Yeah, I'm so happy with that. That's a good pack. That's a good pack. And I'm gonna quick sell. Yes, nice guys. That's a good pack. That's nice. I can sell him this, but he's really good. No, that's not really nice. But Matuidi is a good player. Landrew, yeah, it's not a wrong. Yeah, quick sell for all. Go back to store. Nice. I get Jesus Navas. Gonna open my next pack. Fletcher. Nice. Nah, but store in my club and store in my club. Quick sell. Now I hope that I get an inform now, but I don't know. Bad. I get again a free gold pack. That's not wrong. I get that in my club. And Quick sell. Yes. Please. I want someone good. Jesus Navas is my best now, but Stekelenburg. That's not. It's not a wrong pack, but not the best. Store in my club. Store in my club. Store in my club. And collect free coins. Quick sell for everything. Go to store. Please give me a good player. Please. Please give me a good player. No. Not a good player. And quick sell. Go to store. Please give me an inform. Nice bag. That's not a really nice bag. No, quick sell. Now I can open 2 more of these. Please give me a good player. El Shaarawy. That's not really bad. He's a good player, El Shaarawy. That's not bad. Store in my club. Store in my club. Store in my club. Quick sell. This is my final pack, and I hope that I get an inform or 87 rated player. Lennon is really good pass, but store in my club. Store in my club. Quick sell. And now I'm gonna open my free packs as well. Nah. Please give me Messi. No, bad. That's not really good. Please give me Ronaldo or something. That's not a nice pack. But guys, I see you later by my next video. Please leave a like and subscribe my video. Bye.